15, Part 2, Translation. Pourquoi est-il parti? So here we've got the past participle of partir, to leave, conjugated with être, with inversion, and pourquoi. So why did he leave? Now here we have quand partit-il. Partit-il. This is the passé simple, the one word past tense. So this would be when did he leave? Now, if it was just partil without this it, that would be when does he live? But with this it, it makes it the passé simple. When did he leave? Où est-ce qu'il se trouvait? Here we have the verb se trouver, which means to find oneself, or or generally in a figuratively sense, to be found. Where est-ce qu'il se trouvait? Where was it found? In the imperfect. So where was it found, or where was he found? Pourquoi était-il parti? So here we have partir conjugated with être in the imperfect. So this is a pluperfect. Why had he left? And then comment David est-il parti? Again, this is like the passé composé of partir with inversion. So how did David leave?